Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by ensuring your CSC ID and Aadhaar-linked bank are ready. This saves time when transacting. Once done, log into the CSC SPV portal with 2FA and verify you have the BBPS agent role assigned. Make sure your working balance is funded if the service needs prepaid float. You'll pick the billing category and operator immediately after login, so have the customer's bill and account number visible to reduce errors and speed the payment initiation. Once you fetch the bill details, carefully check the amount, due date, and any convenience fee. You are responsible for accuracy. After verification, select the payment mode, wallet or UPI for instant confirmation, net banking or POS if customer prefers. You should confirm payer identity and capture any required consent or OTP. Record the transaction reference shown by BBPS. If partial payments are allowed, clarify balance handling. Finally, generate and print or SMS the receipt for the customer. You finish by confirming the transaction status and immediately sharing the BBPS reference ID with the customer. Print or SMS the receipt. If the payment shows pending, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then requery the biller status. If it remains unresolved, raise a dispute through the CSC grievance portal with screenshots and timestamps. Make sure to keep transaction logs and receipts for at least 30 days to support reversals or disputes. One troubleshooting tip: clear cache, re-login, and requery before filing a dispute.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.